Yeah, so she likes space, she likes gaps, she likes fragments, she likes ruins, she likes mutations, she likes mixing things together, she likes in-between stuff or liminal stuff, right? All because that provides more space, right? That's escaping from systematized, standardized, institutionalized learning or expression, right? She's escaping grammar because grammar is a type of prison house, right? And so she's really doing this artistic thing and this political thing. This is a political move to write like this, okay? And so she, if we look at the content, the Aztecas del Norte, right? Here she's saying the Aztecas del Norte are the Chicanos, right? They live in the Aztlan, the U.S. Southwest, right? So she's going over, all these reformulations, and then she jumps into a poem. So this is a poem that she writes. She is an artist. She is a poet. At the end of the book, there is a whole transcript of poetry called Borderlands, and that's what the original text was. The original text started as poetry, and then she decided to put some essays together, and then the essays grew into the text. So she writes the poetry first, and then she sort of throws it in here, right? So there's no uh, signature sort of move, right? She just jumps right into it, right? Into the poetic, right? And continues on, and you see here how she's mixing again Spanish and English, right? Uh, Things like this, right? And so, again, it's a question of like, if you can't understand every word, right? Is that going to be a problem? Every word of Spanish or every word of Nahuatl. Yeah, that's a problem because we are not taught to read that way. We are basically taught that if we don't know a word, then we should stop and go look it up. Um, and you can see this like in when we learn a foreign language, right? That we really don't learn a foreign language in the traditional way, in a communicative way. Uh, a communicative way is you just start talking, and if you don't know a word, you just keep on going, and you sort of figure out the word in conversation with someone, with a native speaker, how they're using it, right? So you see how they're using it, you repeat it, you use it like them, and that's how you learn it, right? But the grammatical way of learning a language, sort of a monolingual way of learning a language, is when you don't know a word, you stop and you go look it up. Or if you don't get the conjugation right of the verb, the grammatical thing right, you stop speaking, and then you look it up.